you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and for those of you who do not know, I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and today I'm probably teaching you the most important thing of all: how to cut some bitches. I am equipped with weapons right now. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do your gel liner, then just keep on watching. I promise you I'm going to be showing you the most easiest, simplest way to possibly humanly do this. Okay, you guys, so obviously we're a little closer. We're getting to know each other a little bit better. Welcome. So what you're gonna need to start off is an angled liner brush. I have the MAC 263. I will say I do love this brush. It's not particularly thick. It's actually much thinner, but for me, I find it much easier to kind of navigate where I'm going. You will obviously need a gel liner. I am using the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in Blackest Black. It's literally my favorite. It has never let me down. I've tried several high-end eyeliner, gel eyeliners, and it never ever compares. So first what you're gonna wanna do is just dip in your angled liner brush just a little bit. So what you're gonna wanna do from here, you're taking your brush and whatever you feel comfortable doing, you're going to either draw a line or you're gonna stamp a line. You're gonna follow kind of the natural line of your eye. See how it goes like that? So you're just going to be extending the natural line of your eye. Okay, so now that you have this drawn on, what you're gonna do, you can either take it from here and draw to there, or you can flip it over and draw from the end, the tail end, from there to there. And essentially what you're gonna be doing is kind of outlining your wing. That's literally what you're doing. You are outlining your wing and then you're just gonna draw it in. It is super simple. So you see how we literally have the outline of the wing. So now all we're gonna do is just fill this in. So I'm gonna go back in and dip my brush just a little bit more. And usually I like to start from here and then just keep drawing. And see, it's almost filled in. Okay, so you see how this isn't like perfect exactly? Like, I don't know, it could be straighter, whatever. I'm a slight perfectionist. I'm just gonna wanna take the top of this and go to the very top of it with my brush and follow it over. Basically just like kind of follow all the way in. I kind of want to make this just a touch sharper. So literally you're just going to want to dab it to extend it just a little bit to make it a little bit more sharp. Your eyeliner brush is definitely meant to be used in whichever way you feel most comfortable. So this is what this eye looks like. So we are literally just gonna do the same exact thing to the other side, you guys. You're gonna take your wing liner brush and your gel pot, and you're going to just dip it in a little bit. And whichever you prefer, once again, whether it be drawing it on or just kind of lightly stamping on, whichever is comfortable for you, do that. and I'm just going to draw it in. So now that I'm basically done with this eye, all I really want to do is kind of extend it into the corner of my eye. So I'm taking my liner brush and I'm going to very gently follow from the inner corner and connect it just to right there. This takes a very gentle hand and basically let the brush do the work for you, really. That's exactly what it's for. And this is the final look. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put on some mascara because this feels hella weird without it. So that is all for today's video, and I really hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you learned something new. If so, please give this video a like. Please hit subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.